Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back to my channel. So in my last vlog, I mentioned that I had a job interview and I got the job, you guys. I was so nervous. When I went to leave and I went to like shake her hand, my hand was soaking wet because I was so nervous and like clammy. And she was like, I was like, my hand's wet, I'm sorry. And she was like, are you nervous? I was like, yes. I start next Monday and I'm so excited. This is something that I've never done before. I've never worked in an office. I've just been online doing my new hire paperwork Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Yeah, I'm still gonna do YouTube. I will never not do YouTube. I love YouTube. I love creating. I love editing. Also, quick shout out to glassesusa.com. Glassesusa.com offers prescription eyeglasses and sunglasses at up to 70% off retail prices. Listen, a complete pair of sunglasses or eyeglasses start at only $30, which is really affordable. I recently picked up these frames. They are purple. Isn't this color so beautiful? I love these frames. I'm gonna be wearing these nonstop. I'm so obsessed. I've been getting my glasses and my kids' glasses from glassesusa.com for years now. They have such a huge selection from designer brands like Gucci to Ray-Ban, and you can add almost any type of prescription to almost any frame. And I also picked up this blue pair. Look at this color. These colors are so fun. So much. And they also offer a virtual try-on, so you just upload a photo of yourself and you can see what you look like with them on. I also got these glasses. It's like a yellow brown frame. I love these so much. And they also offer blue light blocking, which I have in most of my lenses, just because I spend so much time on my phone, my laptop, and my computer for work. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave my frames that I showed you here today down below in the description box. So be sure to click that link and start saving with glassesusa.com. Also, thank you to Glasses USA for sponsoring today's video. So today is packing day. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to pack my whole house in one day, but it's Sunday and today I am getting started. The kids start school tomorrow and there's just so much going on. Only strangers in the night. It's where you wanna go. I wonder, can I love you both? Just the way you are. It took time for me to find it out. Find you in the dark. All right, we're gonna start packing my office. Here, B. Let's go, yeah, let's go, come on. It's Monday, we are about to head out. Kids' first day of school. What's up?
Cafe.
Yay. 4th grader vibes. It is Dominic's birthday today, So I feel like I wore this in the last vlog. This is one of my favorite t-shirts. I've had it for like 8 years. And these sunglasses I got from Glasses USA. Whew. My son's birthday, Dominic, he turns 19. I have a 19-year-old. What? It's so crazy to me. I wanted to like shower, get really, really cute and like not look like this. But listen, so many things to do today. So it's just one of those days where I'm just like, brush your teeth, put deodorant on, and go. So that's what's happening. So we are gonna go to Old Navy. We just left Marshall's, and then we're gonna go eat lunch at Buffalo Wild Wings. So I have to go to Walmart to return a few things and get dinner. I'm gonna make chicken tacos. I am gonna show you guys a really quick and easy way to make chicken rolled tacos. They're delicious and it's one of my favorite things to make. So what I do is I buy the chicken that is already packaged and shredded. I'm gonna shred it even more and then I'm going to season it. Okay, so all of my chicken is shredded. I'm gonna put some salt in here. Some garlic salt. Right, and then I'm gonna toss this around. It already has a nice flavor, but I like to just add a little more to it to make it more flavorful. And then I'm gonna add some garlic powder. And some pepper. And toss again. Next, I'm going to put some oil in this pan, get it nice and hot. I'm so sad these tortillas are broken. We're gonna work with what we got. I'm gonna put each tortilla in the oil for about... I know, next time, I learned my lesson. I'm gonna dip these in the oil. That way I can put my chicken and roll. If I don't put them in the oil and I just was to put the chicken on the dry tortilla, it would break, like, you know, yeah. So we gotta fry them really lightly, real quick, and then roll them, and then fry them.